Here are the 5 best upper body workouts for your next routine. Are you ready? Go! Number 1. Dumbbell bicep curls. Make sure to keep arms straight while curling those arms, so that the focus can only be on those biceps. Turn your wrist straight for hammer curls, for those good-looking arms you've always wanted. Number 2. Push-ups. Nobody ever really knows how effective push-ups can be. I recommend 3 sets of 20. With that big chest, she will be all over you. Number 3. Lateral raises. With this workout, you'll have the shoulders nobody can stop or push over. Don't forget front raises and bent over lateral raises to target all of the shoulder heads. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15. Number 4. If you're not doing tricep dips, then what are you doing? These are the most effective workouts out of all of these. Do 2 sets of 10 and you'll see what I mean. And finally, number 5, if you do bench presses very often, you're going to blow that chest up and have that Superman physique. Do 3 sets of 10. Try not to kill yourself or overdo them. Stay fit, stay active. Don't forget to rest 20 seconds between workouts. If you like this video, follow us for more workouts and tips. We'll see you in the next routine.